These are the suggested contents for kindergarten of the Matatag curriculum. These are directly lifted from DepEd website. Links for the sites are found in the description box below. Suggested contents in the kindergarten curriculum. The table contains a list of suggested contents under sub-themes that may be attained by a kindergarten learner within a school year, including those that should be taught across quarters. Theme 1. Knowing who we are and our families. Sub-theme 1. We are unique. Suggested contents. Basic information about oneself, such as likes and dislikes, favorite things, etc. 2. We have feelings. Suggested contents, basic emotions, sad, happy, surprise, etc. 3. We have different body parts and senses. Suggested contents, body parts and their functions, and senses and their functions. 4. We can do many things with our body. Suggested contents, non-standard measurement using body parts. 5. We belong to a family. Suggested contents, uniqueness of one's family, the members of one's family, and the roles of each family member. 6. We have basic needs. Suggested contents, needs, food, shelter, clothing. Go, grow, and glow foods. 7. We celebrate special occasions. Suggested contents, celebrations such as birthdays, monthly events, holidays, etc., and sequencing of events and following directions. 8. We are healthy and safe. Suggested contents, parts of the house, common things found at home, and safety measures at home. Contents that should be taught across quarters. Alphabet, letter names, letter sounds. Numbers, number names, quantities and symbols. Communication tools and technology. Locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Music, singing songs and reciting nursery rhymes. Arts, fine motor activities. Rights and responsibilities. Personal experiences. Polite greetings and courteous expressions. One-to-one correspondence. Independence and agency or self-regulation. Theme 2. Exploring our community. Sub-theme 1. We belong to a class. Suggested contents. My teacher, my classmates, and I. Classroom rules. Things I do and celebrate in school. Family Day, Buwan ng Wika, United Nations, etc. Non-standard measurement using common objects. 2. We love our school. Suggested contents, places in my school, people in my school, familiar sounds in school. 3. We belong to a community. Suggested contents, places in the community, community helpers, roles and responsibilities of the community helpers, patterns I see around me, caring for and protecting one's community. 4. We go to different places. Suggested contents, directions and positions, modes of transportation, land, water, air. Essential contents should be taught across quarters. Alphabet, letter names, letter sounds, and blending. Numbers, number names, quantities, and symbols. Communication tools and technology. Locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Music, singing songs and reciting nursery rhymes. Arts, fine motor activities. Rights and responsibilities, personal experiences, polite greetings and courteous expressions. One-to-one correspondence, independence and agency or self-regulation. Theme 3. Appreciating our country. Sub-theme 1. We are Filipino children. Suggested contents. Identity, culture and traditions. Rights and responsibilities. Respect and concern for our country. Philippine coins and bills. 2. We can see plants everywhere. Suggested contents. Common plants. Parts of a plant. Classification of common plants. Uses of plants. Caring for plants. Grouping and ungrouping of sets. 3. We know animals around us. Suggested contents. Common animals. Parts of an animal. Classification of common animals. Habitats. Animals and their young. How animals help us. Caring for animals. Essential contents. Should be taught across quarters. Alphabet. Letter names, letter sounds and blending. Numbers, number names, quantities and symbols. Communication tools and technology. Locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Music, singing songs and reciting nursery rhymes. Arts, fine motor activities. Rights and responsibilities. Personal experiences. Polite greetings and courteous expressions. One-to-one correspondence. Independence and agency or self-regulation. Match numerals to a set of concrete objects around me. Recognize the importance of having a positive attitude in dealing with different circumstances. Show appreciation of one's culture and traditions. Participate in dialogues or conversations about familiar events. Basic mathematical operations, formal and non-formal applications. Putting together, taking away. Mathematical estimations. More, less, greater than, less than. Theme 4. Caring for our world. Sub-theme 1. We live in a beautiful world. Suggested contents. Weather, telling time, properties of objects, visual representations such as pictograph, pictures, and illustrations. 2. We are citizens of the world. Suggested content. Accepting uniqueness. 3. We care for our world. Suggested contents. Preparedness in disasters and emergencies. Predicting outcomes in a text, cause and effect. Essential contents. Alphabet. Letter names, letter sounds and blending. Numbers, number names, quantities and symbols. Communication tools and technology. Locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Music, singing songs and reciting nursery rhymes. Arts, fine motor activities. Rights and responsibilities. Personal experiences, polite greetings and courteous expressions. Thank you. Watch out for the next videos.